All right, I decided to look around a little bit and see what else was going on, and this caught my eye right away. We got Teddy out here, and there's a Category 2 in the middle of the Atlantic, and I said before that we don't know quite on what that's going to do. It looks like now they're kind of predicting it to go up this way on this track. This is Teddy's track. Don't get confused with this one. That's the one that I already went through. I'll talk about in a minute. But you know, see now what fools a lot of people about hurricanes is you think, oh, it's a widespread destruction and stuff. And yes, hurricanes do have a pretty big airfield, but really the only this maximum wind speed and stuff they love to report, that's only going on like right here. I mean, if you're in that spot, that's a really bad day. But a lot of people, a lot of places are in and this happens too over land, somewhat. But it's out in the ocean, you can observe it going on too. Um, Now I'd like to zoom in a little bit and say, yeah, they're right around the eyeball there. And this one, it's really packing tough winds right there. This is surface winds, and that is a lot of wind speed right there. But that's where they're getting that 127 mile an hour gusts and stuff that they love to report. But these are not near as strong out here. Now, I like this here. This is kind of where things are getting a little overwhelmed. I think the meteorologists are getting a little too busy here with other things, and this one got kind of forgot about up in the North Atlantic. What the hurricane tracker here is showing, I notice, is it shows the hurricane that's being right there. But that's if you pay attention, that's 3 p.m. Well, now it's 11 a.m. the next day, and so it's no longer there. It's up here, and this was the prediction they were making previously with it to be a tropical storm up here. Oh, look at its, well, that's a Category 1 report for that at 3 p.m. But this looks pretty potent here. The wind speed, the winds here, and the satellite and the radar and all that, that's current. That's going on right now. So this is still what the storm is doing right now, and it's packing some pretty good winds and stuff. But it's going along where they were expecting it to. But this thing here, they were predicting this to be, let's see, about 12 p.m. They were expecting it to be about here, and that's about they're about right. But we'll be curious to see. They were predicting it to go down, but this was the forecast track they were thinking yesterday. So we'll have to keep an eye and see if this verifies and gets correct. And granted, that's out in the middle of the ocean. That's why I put this towards the end of the video. That England and Ireland is over there, uh, and you got continental Europe down there. You got France and Spain over this way, and Lord, there's something going on over there too. I'll click that and see what that is. So that's an area of it's a low risk area where they think of something that may develop, but we'll have to see what transpires out here too, and just for curiosity's sake, right, and learn some things. I got the radar and winds and stuff on. Let's try tweaking some of this and take the clouds out so we can see exactly where it's raining out there and the winds. So we just got to give it a minute to load here, and then there we get the layers. So we get the I think did I say to take the clouds out? Yeah, I did. Okay, the clouds are still there. It's got to load. It's got to process all that. There, okay, there it goes. See a brief view of the ocean floor. Okay, there's the winds and the radar just, and yeah, you can kind of see the winds are so strong it's making it hard to see the radar. I have to zoom in a little bit. So it doesn't show that it's raining very much out there, but not heavy winds, but there's a lot of wind with this one. It's a wider wind field, so this is affecting a more. If this came over land, this would affect a broader area of people with more winds and what have you.